I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by waking the watch and unlocking it. Make sure notifications won't interrupt. Place a flat, cupped palm fully over the screen so your fingers wrap the bezel and the display is fully covered. Once done, press and hold the side button with your free hand while keeping the palm steady over the face. This combines touch occlusion with the button hold to trigger the shutdown UI. Keep the palm stable and firm so the sensor reads a covered state. You keep the palm sealed over the face and continue holding the side button for 2 to 3 seconds. This ensures the watch registers both cover and button input. When the power off slider appears, alongside medical ID and emergency SOS, remove your palm briefly only if needed for the swipe. Then, using your thumb or another finger, slide the power off control fully across. The action must be deliberate to avoid invoking SOS. Once slid, the watch will begin shutting down. You finish by watching the screen go black. A brief animation or battery indicator may show before power off. If the slider never appeared, make sure your palm completely covers the display and try again with a firmer seal and an extra second of side button hold, because partial coverage can prevent the sequence. If repeated attempts fail, go to Settings General Shut Down to complete power off. That fallback bypasses the palm method while achieving the same result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.